In the name of Almighty Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. This is the 8th tutorial of Bootstrap tutorial series, and in this tutorial we will be talking about the column offsetting. Now what is column offsetting? We will talk about it. So let me firstly create a layout for this page. So here we have a container. Next we have the class of row, and now we create a div with a class called -md-6, and we also assign the MyStyle class, which I have defined here in a custom css main.css file, and this is column 1. Suppose we here have a second row as well called row, and here I create a div with call-md class of call-md-6 column 2, and here I create a column 3. So let's refresh this page. So now you can see, let me assign the my class to this as well, my style. So our layout is ready. Suppose we have a layout of somewhat like this. In the first row we have only a single column, but this place is empty, and in the second row we have column 2 and column 3, and these two rows, they are taking the entire space. Now what if I want to center the column to column 1? So for that purpose we use the offset of columns. And what the offsetting is used, it is used to move columns to the right using call-md-offset classes. So this is actually used for moving the columns to right. So let's use it in this. Now if I want to make this centered, so for that purpose we will minus the total amount of columns that we have used from the grid system. So in grid system we have 12 columns, so 12 minus 6, we are left with 6 columns. But now I want to make it centered, so for that purpose I will minus 3. I mean that 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, so the half of the columns that we have used. So here I will give call-md-3, not 6. If I give 6, so it will be aligned to the right. Call-md, not this m, call-md-offset 6. Now you can see that it is aligned to the right. But if I use half of the column that we have used, I mean that if I assign 3, now it will be centered. So that's how we can center the column. So this is what the column offsetting are used for. So that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next tutorial.